Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can fix iPhone keyboard sound. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, make sure you are on the home page of your device. Once you are here, tap on the settings icon and the settings app will open up. Inside it, scroll down a little bit and tap on sounds and haptics. Then scroll down a little bit again and near the bottom, tap on keyboard clicks. If it is enabled and you go into any typing app and start typing, you can see that is producing click sounds. To switch it off, get back to the settings app and tap on it to disable it. Now, if I start typing, you will notice that the clicking sound is no longer being produced. So that's basically how you can fix iPhone keyboard sound. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.